In this video, I will show you how to put together this mini egg basket, which is a free SVG file from Simply Crafty SVGs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put together this free mini egg basket, which is a free SVG from Simply Crafty SVGs. It's kind of out of focus there. Let's see if we can get it in focus. I got this cute little bunny paper. This Jenny L Designs, I believe. Try to put a link. A couple of key, I think it was from Fabrica. Gonna fold these. So we only have a couple pieces. We have the handle, and then this is for the insert. These are the panels. So I'm gonna just pre-fold this. But why it just helps me because it's a darker paper to be able to center the panels. So once I fold it, I'll just go ahead and put these panels on. So we have 2 panels with holes and 2 without. So we're going to go ahead and place those on there. So you could also use this as like just a mini, you don't need the insert. You could do it without the insert and just have a little mini basket. So I'm just add glue. Make sure you don't add glue around the hole too close so you have little wiggle room without getting glue in places you can see. So you can see I'm centering it with the little edge around it, but also making sure it lines up. So I'm doing the ones with holes first. I got glue a little bit close on there. I'm going to go ahead and line that up. So these little holes, we'll use them to line up our handle. And I'm going to use brads to attach it. So I have these little, I think, where are they? Right here. Those are little brads I'm going to use. If you don't have brads, don't worry about it. You could use, you could glue it on and use little rhinestones or something like that. Or just glue it on. I'd say if you didn't have something like that, most people have rhinestones, just like a simple, like little teeny white rhinestones. They're really cheap to get for embellishments. Or enamel dots. Enamel dots not as cheap. So once we have those on, we can go ahead and just glue it together. So we're going to make sure it's folded well. We're going to go ahead and add glue to this side tab. So I'm going to line up this edge to the fold. Make sure it lines up at the bottom and the top, so it's easy to glue that bottom part on. Just getting the excess glue off. So this is one of many freebies at our website, which you can download them all at once if you like. We do have a Facebook group if are you interested. It's called the Simply Crafty Creators Group. So we'll go ahead and add glue on all these tabs. You can glue it to the bottom too, but I'm going to glue it on the inside because the insert will hide them. I'm going to fold it over. I'm just kind of lining it up with my fingers, make sure that it's in the right place. Then lightly rub it, and then I'll flip it over and apply pressure on the inside. So that's there. I'm going to move these little brads. They're getting lost because you can barely even see them on the video. So we'll go ahead and just fold these. There's no reason to glue this in. if you're going to put an egg in there, it does something like the Cadbury, the larger ones. It fits that, or it'll go in there. Just goes in like this. You could add, okay, so I don't know, you can pull it right out. But if you do want to, you could always put a touch of glue on the sides. I never do because I figure it's usually something you're going to give to somebody and it's kind of a one-time thing. And that's how it'll fit. So to put this on, unless you're going to glue it, I'm going to do brads. So I'm just going to rub it a little bit just to get it curled a little bit. And then I'll just take my brads and attach it. So I made it small on purpose. I mean, I figured it's a nice, quick, last-minute Easter thing. I like the brads. The reason I like the brads is so you can rotate it. So that's the reason why I like using the brads, and I like the look. Oops. I guess it would help if I put it in there. Okay, let's try that again. So if you do like this video, if you could give me a little like, I'd appreciate it always. And there it is. See how that rotates if you use a brad? And you may not have them, but these are like real mini brads. But like I said, you could take this out and use this just for put a little Easter grass in there. Or this could really be for other occasions too. But put a little Easter grass in there and put anything really. Jelly beans. But here's a little insert. That's it. Oh, and I'm just gonna glue one so you can see what to do if you wanted to do that. I'll just add a little glue. So this one's gonna be permanent. Do it before you put the handle on. And you have to fold them in. I didn't fold them all the way in. One side hit. So make sure you fold them in before you slot it in. That was my last minute decision to show you. And then you could reach in and put a little pressure so it wouldn't pop up as quickly. So you could do it just on two sides if you wanted to. So that's it. Real simple little Easter treat box. I hope you like this project, and I thank you so much for watching.